Imagine cruising down the open road, wind brushing past you, and suddenly people start turning their heads, not because of a supercar, but because of something way cooler, a futuristic tiny home on 3 wheels. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 version of the legendary Honda Goldwing camper tricycle. And trust me, this is not just a ride. It's a lifestyle revolution at first glance. It looks like something straight out of the future. The front keeps that iconic Goldwing design, sleek, powerful, and premium. But as your eyes move back, things get wild. Instead of a typical rear seat, you've got a fully customized compact living space mounted on a trike setup. Yes, a real, moving tiny home. Now imagine this. You pull over anywhere, mountains, beach, or even a quiet roadside, and within seconds, your ride transforms into your personal cozy shelter. Inside, it's surprisingly smart. You've got a foldable bed, clever storage compartments, and even a mini kitchenette setup. Everything is designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. It's like living in a sci-fi capsule, but in real life. And here's where it gets even better. This isn't just about looks. The 2026 Goldwing base brings serious power and smooth performance. Known for its long-distance comfort and advanced tech, this machine handles the extra camper weight like a pro. Smooth acceleration, stable handling, and that signature touring experience make every journey feel effortless. But let's talk about why people are falling in love with this concept. It's freedom. No rent, no fixed location, no limits. You wake up with a new view every day. One night you're parked under the stars. The next you're waking up to the sound of waves. This isn't just travel. This is full-on freedom living. What's even more impressive is how eco-conscious this setup can be. Many of these camper trikes come with solar panel options, energy-efficient lighting, and smart battery systems. That means you can go off-grid for longer, reducing both your costs and your footprint. Affordable, sustainable, and unbelievably cool. And let's be real, this thing turns heads everywhere. Whether you're riding through a busy city or parked at a scenic viewpoint, people will stop, stare, and ask questions. It's not just a vehicle. It's a conversation starter, a statement, and honestly, a dream come true for minimalists and adventure lovers. But here's the big question. Could you actually live in something like this? Imagine downsizing your entire life into a space this small, but gaining the entire world as your backyard. No bills tying you down, no routine holding you back. Just you, the road, and endless possibilities. And before you think this is just a concept, builders around the world are already turning this dream into reality. Custom camper trikes are becoming more popular, and with a base like the Goldwing, the possibilities are endless. So, would you trade your house for this ultimate mobile lifestyle? Or is this just a cool dream you'd try for a weekend? Either way, one thing is clear. The future of tiny living just got a whole lot more exciting, and it rides on 3 wheels.